Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will save the name from the input text and we will show it in the main scene. So let's see how we'll do that. So before that I will just create another text and we can name it connecting text, and here we can say connecting. We can change the font if we want, and also the size. I think 36 is enough, and then the color. Also we'll make it overflow so that it should be visible. And yeah, here is the text, so let's make it 48 maybe, so that it should be visible in a better way. And that's great. Now we'll save it, and now we'll go open the script. And for this we need a Photon game manager script, which is our main script. And in this script we are actually syncing the scene and connecting the using all settings. So first of all, because we will use the UI, so we'll use here, using Unity engine .ui, and then after that we'll create some important variables which are needed for the text. So first of all I will just create a public and just give it input field, and that is the player name maybe, and then we can type a private variable which is the string, and we can name a set name, and initially we can set the name. If you want to add sample name, or if you want to keep field blank, you can just add 2 inverted commas and nothing between, so that it will be fine. And then we can just name connecting like this. Okay, so now you can see that in the start function we have this line of code. Definitely we don't need it for now, and we want to operate this code on the function definitely. And in start function we want to make it connecting a game object dot set active false in the beginning, so that it should not be visible. And then we can definitely create the functions. So here I am going to create a function, private public, I think yeah, public void update text function, and in this function we will update the text. So we'll say set name is equal to player nickname and dot text. Then we will say that Photon Network dot local player dot nickname is equal to set name. So this name will be saved in the nickname. Okay. So now for the enter button, definitely we need a function, so we'll say that public void enter button, and for this we want that if set name is not equal to null, so there should be a name inside, otherwise it will not move. Then we'll say that Photon Network and we can actually paste these values that we have copied from the start function. And also here we will enable the connecting dot set active true. Okay, so also we need a exit function, so we'll say public void exit button, and here we can say application dot quit. This is the default function for quitting the game, and this will only happen when we have built. Okay, in the Unity editor it will not close the application, it will only close the game when the game is built. Okay, so now this is fine, I think, and now we can move to the another script, and in the scene view, because we want to show this text in the scene view. So you can go to main scene, and here you can see that on the aim ref we have this crosshair script, so we can use this script and we can actually utilize it for the Unity for the UI elements. So we can say using Unity engine.ui, because we'll use the UI text here, and then we can say public text, and we can say nickname text. Okay, so save it, and then in the start function actually we want to make it available, so dot text is equal to Photon Network okay, we didn't included the photon over here, so using photon.1, and now we can just say, we can type here Photon Network local player dot nickname, so it is saved there, so it will be visible. So now we can move here, and in the canvas we need text for the player name, so definitely in the canvas we can create a text, and this text is nickname text, and here we can add nickname. Definitely this text will be changed, so no problem. So we will just make it center, we'll make